outside doubts, we have to remember that doubts could either be an internal or external, right? So when you talk about internal, it is that little voice inside us that would always ask, what if this fail? Di ba? Pero may nagyud na, oh my God, mapalpak man siguro taani. Pag ito nagsugod, palpak na. What if it's not good enough? And then what if I will not learn anything? What if I'm just wasting my time? What if it's too late? What if, it's about fear. Tanan kahadlok manggawas na diha. So those are the internal fears, those things, fears nga, doubts nga gikan sa ato. And the second one is the external doubt, which is coming from those people we know, our friends, our families. In fact, when you started something, di ba, when you started something, we get so motivated and excited that we are so ready to spread the news to our close magyud nato atong unahon, no, ang atong family, ang atong friends, atong co-workers, and then all of a sudden they would just say, bakak siguro na, maingon na po siya, wala man ay klaro, for sure, palpak na po na. And those people who are questioning you, questioning your motivation and stuff like that, questioning your vision. And those are the outside doubts, which are also the same as the internal doubts. Grabe po kayang epekto sa ato, right?
Yeah.
We started to question ourselves from being motivated until doubting ourselves. And then minute give up na ko, wa mo gid siguro na klaro nga negosyo, or wa mo siguro ni klaro nga venture akong gisudlan, and then you give up. So those are powerful influence, no, powerful kay ng internal ug externals. That's why we really have to tackle this. Kay it's dili raman ng internal doubt ang makapadaot, it's always most of the time external doubt if we listen to other people's opinion, and that is very common, right? Kay di ta gusto nga ma-embarrass ta, di ta gusto nga people will be talking about us, and then people will be laughing behind us and stuff like that. Ingon gani sila, if there are some people, and most of the time katong people nga nag-doubt sa ato are the one who are close to us, the one who are people who expect, who will katong gina-expect nato nga mag-support sa ato. You know why? Not because they're laughing at us, but sometimes out of ato ginawa nila na it's for our safety. Because ingon palagi sila, kung once you started on something new, and then when you started to pull yourself, mangita ang bagong nga business, and then you become busy, wala na kay time sa imong friends, wala na kay time sa imong family, kay busy na kay ka sa imong business, there is, muna siya ang ginagusto nila nga i-protect ka,